Hello, it's Bouwé.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.
Let's go learn and play the game with the aim of making Creole fun. In the last video, we looked at marcher. Marcher meaning to walk, or to function. And for the bonus game, I ask you what's meant by formier marcher un hayo paseo marcher tourni. If you said the answer is C, it's better to walk in rags than to walk naked. That's the correct answer. For this video here, we're going to be looking at Bouwé. Bouwé, meaning to eat fast, to push, to turn the soil, or to upset. Here is an expression. Bouwé en l'air your moon. Bouwé en l'air your moon, to charge at someone. As usual, we're going to break it down word by word. Let's make sense of our lovely Creole. Bouwé, bouwé, to push. En l'air, on or upon. Yo, a or an. Moon, person or the plural people. Note that you can also say Bouwé atteint your moon. Bouwé atteint your moon. Same meaning, to charge at someone. Get ready for your 3 games. Remember, you're looking at Bouwé. It's playtime. If las means tired or to stop, and manger means food or to eat, then what's meant by las bouwé, manger à ses slaw? Las bouwé, manger à ses slaw. Las bouwé, manger à ses slaw means stop eating so quickly, the food is yours. Note that slaw is used in Grenada, and in Trinidad some of the islands would use sow or tow, but they all mean the same thing. Here's the second game. If teka means was doing or used to do, and se livla means the books or the punks, then what's meant by yishla teka bouwé asu se livla? Yishla teka bouwé asu se livla. Yishla teka bouwé asu se livla means the child was pushing the books. Note that asu here means on, so the child was pushing on the books. Third and final game. If K means will and Te means land or soil, then what's meant by Deme moke bouwé te a? Deme moke bouwé te a. Deme moke bouwé te a means tomorrow I will till the soil. Deme moke bouwé te a. Let me know how many games you got right and get ready for the bonus game. What's meant by Osa bouwé en l'air, anipa meyeye? Osa bouwé en l'air, anipa meyeye? A, B, or C? Put your answers in the comments below. Thank you very much for being here, loving and supporting Creole. See you in the next one.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.